Hey guys, we're here at Dick's Sporting Goods. If you're interested in trout fishing, we'll be showing you the basic needs to get you started. Let's go. Alright everyone, we're here at the fishing tackle section. So if you want to get started with your trout fishing, we start off with our line. We use 4-pound test, P line, Fluoro Clear. It's about 10 bucks right here. Then other things you sliding sinkers, Eagle Claw, about $2.50. We normally use the 1/4 ounce, so which they don't have. Next, we use the Carolina Keeper. It's basically the clear ones we use. Make sure you guys have your pliers because you're going to need the pliers to squeeze in order to feed your line through. Next, our Mosquito Hooks. Mosquito Hooks, we use the Owner brand. The size we use is normally 8, but it looks like this. But they're pretty much sold out of that too. It's about 4 bucks. A Procure. We basically use coconut trout or garlic scent, which they don't have either, but this is the brand. Powered bait, the 2 top scents that we normally use is the green glitter trout bait scent. Also the
Chartreuse.
I can't say this.
Chartreuse.
Chartreuse.
Turn it.
Then the salmon peach color. They don't have the salmon peach, but it looks similar to this. This one is the yellow. My all-time favorite, pink mice tail. We normally like to have different colors, but pink is my #1. Orange is a good color. Yellow, as well as the brown, even white. So it's good to have different kinds in your tackle box. That way you don't know what fish are interested in. So it's nice to throw out different colors. Next, we also throw out Castmaster. The size is 1/8 ounce, but we normally use, what was it?
We use that one, or a little bit smaller.
Or something smaller.
Like this one.
Castmaster. What else?
And don't forget your ultralight fishing
don't
pole.
forget your ultralight fishing pole. You're gonna need that, definitely. So you also want to use mini jigs, 1/32 ounce. You also want to have a variety of different colors. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's all the basic needs you would need to get started if you want to go trout fishing. But on the other hand, you guys can buy everything in the store because that's what every fisherman does.